Karina.
I'm Karen. I'm Elena.
I am Cassandra.
I am Anna.
We were talking about the
Discovery of chemistry.
Oh, well, you done me, and you bet I felt it.
What are the contributions of chemistry in medicine? Chemistry is a huge part of medicine, important diagnostic and treatment tools. Chemistry departments in hospital, medical labs, analyze blood, urine, etc. Protein, sugars, glucose in the urine, signal activities, and other. Metabolic and inorganic substances, electrolyte tests, and drugs and blood. Analysis testing things like poison and sodium. Most medicine involved with inhibition of specific enzyme expressions of a gene. An enzyme's active site requires specifically designing drug to disable. On shape and inhibition, drugs must customize its target enzyme.
Application of chemistry in food. Chemistry used in crucial food production by the use of fertilizers and insecticide preservation and addition of essential nutrients to improve the quality of food. It covers the basic composition, structure, and properties of food and the chemistry in changes occurring during processing and utilization. It also covers the chemistry of water, carbohydrates, protein, lipids, vitamins, minerals, and salt. Chemistry is a natural science.
Hi, I'm Jenny and I will talk about the chemistry and war. The Western world has not always found the use of chemical weapons in war to be morally abhorrent. In 1919, Winston Churchill, then Secretary of State at British War Office, was a keen advocate of what today, when others seek to acquire them, we like to weapons of mass destruction. Churchill wrote that he didn't understand squid misses about the use of gas. I am strongly in favor of using poisonous gas against uncivilized tribes. It isn't necessary to use only the most deadly gas. Gases can be used which would cause great inconvenience and would spread a little terror, and yet will leave no serious permanent effect on most of those affected. According to Churchill, weapons such as mustard gas represent the application of Western science to modern warfare. And in the Vietnam War, the United States sprayed chemical weapons on South Vietnam in order to defend the countryside. Australians are aware of claims which connect herbicides such as Agent Orange with birth effect in veterans. However, we have heard very little about the terrible human toll excited of the Vietnamese. We report linking as many 300,000 casualties directed to use of the fallen during the war.
The chemistry and global warming. To learn more about this topic, I want to add that the global climate change is a very complex subject. All of Earth's spheres, the biosphere, living things, hydrosphere, water, lithosphere, rock and soil, and atmosphere, air, work together to create and maintain climate. However, the biosphere, humans in particular, has had an increasingly greater impact on climate in recent decades. This inevitable phenomenon has two sources: that artificial and natural. Natural cause of global warming. These include the release of methane gas in the Arctic and wetlands. This causes the greenhouse effect. Also, water vapor and carbon dioxide that is liberated through the volcanic events and respiration. Artificial causes. Humans' influence in relation to the chemistry. One way in which humans have affected the climate is by increasing emissions of greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases absorb infrared radiation. This is the form of the sun's energy reflected to the Earth's surface.
Hello! What is the climate change? Climate change is a consequence of unchecked pollution. When carbon emissions caused by human activity enter the air, they have dangerous effects on the environment, the economy, and our well-being. But just as humans cause it, we can halt its progress. A consequence of the climate change is the melting of polar caps. The best solution to stop this is to reduce the use of cars, mini split, and eliminate emission of the carbon dioxide.
Good news, 10 points out that it is relatively easy to reduce soot. The good news is that while taking CO2 out of energy cycle has proven very difficult, especially in poor developing nations. Black carbon emissions should be easier to curb. Reducing deforestation will help. The burning of tropical rainforest is a big contributor to the black carbon load. Next, diesel. Filters in cars can be upgraded, and biomass burning stops can be exchanged for technology that use solar power or natural gas. And these changes will cost money, but should be cheaper and decarbonizations and cutting back on black carbon will also pay immediate health dividends with less air pollution and fewer deaths from respiratory disease. We may even be able to see the sky in New Delhi again.